Alright, today I'm going to be going over the Husqvarna 535 IFR brush cutter. It's a battery powered brush cutter, and actually it comes with basically the options for three different types of cutting. You have a brush cutting setup with a brush cutting guard and a brush cutting blade. It also comes with like a grass cutting blade, which is for heavier grass or lighter brush, and that also has its own brush guard. And you have a regular trimmer line grass cutting head. So it's kind of like a three-in-one. You've got three different guards and three different cutting tools that actually come with this trimmer, and obviously you can buy different aftermarket brush cutting blades and heavy grass cutting blades, but it does come with all three. So my first impressions have been very positive. This is a rather expensive tool, but honestly the benefits of being battery powered and electric in terms of simplicity of maintenance and ease of use, and you still have the power, so it's pretty amazing. I'm pretty happy with it so far, and I've cleared some pretty nasty multiflora rows with it so far, so I'm pretty happy. But anyway, let's just take a quick look here. This is the battery. It's a 36-volt system, and you can see this one has 337 watt hours of capacity, or 9.36 amp hours. And this, I believe, is the highest capacity battery that fits this trimmer, the BLI 300. I can press that button and I get a readout of the current battery level. Now, I only bought one. This is pretty expensive. This battery alone, I think, was like $300, but it's got a very high capacity, and so unless you were doing, professional work, I think even just one of these batteries is probably enough for you. So anyway, let's take a look at the back here. You can see those are the connectors, and we can insert it on this side. We're just going to look for the connectors, so we just got to flip it around here, and it just slides into the middle of the tool, and you just press it in. You might need both hands, but you hear that snap, so that's locked in. This is the release, so we press this down and pull out this way to release the battery, but it's locked in now. So let's go up the shaft here. This hook is for the harness that comes with the trimmer, which I was pleasantly surprised is very nice. It has I can show it possibly in another video, but anyway, your harness that comes with the tool hooks on here. It's very well balanced, and you can even adjust it a little bit up and down the shaft if you want to. So far I'm happy with where it is. So that's your harness lockout, I guess you could call it. This knob will adjust the left and right balance of your main handlebar, which you've got a left hand grip here, and you've got your right hand grip here, which includes your controls. This is the starting mechanism. You have to press that up and hold it up to actually pull this trigger back here. So once you release that, you can't just pull the trigger, so it's a safety feature. Now on here, since we got the battery in, we can turn it on. So as you can see, we have essentially a power output modulator here. We can press this. That's our highest speed. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. So we don't have to operate the trimmer on the highest speed all the time. We just want to use what's necessary to get the job done. So you have control over the RPMs of your blade. So that's nice, and also being able to just shut the trimmer off. Again, that's just another layer of safety, and it's going to help, should help conserve a little bit of power on your battery pack. All right, so that's kind of meat of the issue here. We can see that this unit creates 96 decibels. So it's pretty quiet. It's pretty amazing to use such a quiet tool that's as powerful as it is. And this is the brush cutting blade that comes with it. Again, this could fell small saplings or thick brush. It's got this metal brush cutting guard on the back. And again, there's 3 different setups that you can do. There's 3 different guards, and there's 3 different cutting implements. You got the brush cutter blade, which is this. You've got a grass cutting blade that is triangular shaped. That has its own guard. And then you have the grass trimmer line head, which also has its own guard. So it's kind of like a 3-in-1 tool, and it's very impressive. So if people are interested, I might do actually a cutting demonstration, but I just wanted to do a quick overview of the tool. Very easy to use, very high quality, very impressed. All right, thank you.